Alright folks, on this episode of DIYNate, I can't believe I'm making this video because of how silly it is.
Such an idiot.
But if your scale seems like it's got the incorrect setting or it seems like it's getting the measurements wrong, don't throw it out. Not yet anyway. One of the issues that I ran across, and I can't believe I didn't think of this, I thought my scale was just jacked and broken. I kept stepping on the scale and it kept giving me a reading that was way off. I was like, man, I am definitely not that light, and I didn't happen to think about possible units. That maybe it just converted to a different type of unit, kilograms instead of pounds.
You're watching DIYNate. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to tell me about your project in the comments.
And so with this scale, this is the one I'm talking about. I was ready to throw it away and use a different scale, and then I realized, you know what, I should probably Google it and see why it's showing the wrong number. And what I found was on the back of the unit here, there is a units button. And because it sits on the ground, sometimes these things get dropped, bounced, whatever, and it apparently hit the unit button and changed the scale from pounds to metric, kilograms, and whatnot. And so that was the issue, and it was a pretty simple one, and I can't believe I'm having to make this video. But don't throw your scale away if you are like, man, it's really getting the wrong reading. Check and see if you have a unit button on the back. Sometimes it might be in your battery compartment, depending on your scale. Check your manual if you're seeing you're weighing too much or too little, and let me know if you felt as stupid as I did when I realized I was like, man, I haven't used this scale in like 2.5 years. And I definitely need to be using this scale, but it was kind of a silly situation, and I thought it was kind of funny. So, okay, so my eyes are kind of bad, and I didn't happen to see right up there in the corner, it's got the kg mark. So I got on my scale thinking, I'm like, oh man, I'm doing great. I'm only 112 pounds. I'm awesome. And then we go and change it. Push our little button here. Now we're in pound mode, and we'll go ahead and take a look. Yeah, it's a different number by a long shot, so.
I'd say about a deuce and a half. Not bad.
The scale is correct now, and this is my pre-weight loss reduction effort, and the scale will help me get back on track, hopefully. But anyway, you get the idea. So, all right, folks, so if you had the same problem I had or are wondering why your scale is showing way lighter than you actually are, maybe double check that kg unit in the side. Check your unit button. Could be something else. Certainly your scale could be broken, but I would be loving it if my weight was down at that. But looks like I'm running in right about a deuce and a half. So,
Hi, a deuce and a half. Huh?
Anyway, thank you for watching DIYNate. I hope this video helped you out. And yes, I can't believe how dumb this video is.
I'm a total idiot.
It's been funny though. Sometimes I put videos out like this. The success rate can be pretty funny. People are surprised and they run across the same issue. They're Googling it just like I was, and they come across this video and maybe it opens their eyes and they're like, oh, hey, maybe it was just the unit setting. These things do get dropped, they get bumped, they hit things get slid under them, and it might push that button and change it. You might not know, you might not think of it. I certainly didn't. And so hopefully that helps you out. You've been watching DIYNate. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. All right, and if you're interested in getting a bathroom scale like that, you can certainly check one out in the comments. This is an Etekcity. The model number is right there. In case you're wondering, for those of you having issues, many of the other ones use the same thing. Our unit button is right up there, and that's what we got. If you enjoyed this video, here are a couple more YouTube things you might like. Thanks again for watching.